Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Navodaya Coaching. In this video, let us discuss about the portion mental ability. How to solve the mental ability? What are the easy methods to solve the mental ability? And the portions covered in mental ability. You may think mental ability is an easy task. But students, if you score 50 out of 50 marks in mental ability, then it is easy to get the seat in Navodaya. So we have to concentrate very importantly in the mental ability portions. Shall we check the chapters of the mental ability portion? First one, odd man out. Next, similarity. Next, incomplete figure. Fourth, series figure. Fifth, analogy. Sixth, cutting figure. Seventh, mirror image. Eighth, paper folding or punching. Ninth, combined figure. And 10th, hidden figure. These are the lessons covered in mental ability portion. So when we have checked the mental ability portions, we want to understand that from this section there are 40 questions will be asked. 40 questions. In each part, from each lesson, there will be 4 questions. That means 4 into 10 lessons is equal to 40 questions. Overall, we have 50 marks for the 40 questions. Means already last video we already discussed 1.25 marks for each questions. That means overall 50 marks. And the next important thing is all the questions are as in figure. We no need to write anything. We have to check the figures and we have to select the answers from the options. These questions are asked for to check the mental ability and the reasoning power of a student. So we can go, let us understand the concept correctly and carefully to score the full mark in the mental ability portion. Before going to our concepts, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Share the video with your friends. We are waiting for your suggestions in the comment. Next, shall we check the rules of solving mental ability? Rules of solving mental ability. From that concept 1, rotational directions. Rotational direction is first checking rule. In that you can see in the screen, first rotational direction is clockwise and the second one is anti-clockwise. When we check the clockwise direction, the movement of the hands in a clock shows the clockwise direction. Means the second or our hand is moving from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4. That movement is called as clockwise direction. You can check the example given below. The arrow mark is in the left upper portion. That arrow mark is moving to the top middle and it moving to the right middle. So we can understand that that arrow mark is rotating clockwise. That arrow mark is rotating clockwise. Next we can check the anti-clockwise movement. Nothing but just opposite to the clockwise movement. Just imagine the second hand of the clock is moving from 12 to 11, 10, 9. That movement of the needle is, the hand is called as anti-clockwise movement. Here also you can see an example. One Y-shaped figure is given in the example figure. That figure is moving to the anti-clockwise direction. That means that first Y open shape is face to the upper portion. Next is that moving to the left. Next is moving to the down. So that movement of that figure is called as anti-clockwise movement. Next, concept number 2, position of designs. Position of designs. So already I told you, all the figures of mental ability are in a square. So the positions of a figure in that square is very important. So that position is going to check. Now we can see in the screen there are some positions, some figures in some positions in the square. Shall we check from the topper, means upper middle design. Upper middle to next right side, a right upper design. So if a figure come in the right upper design, the position will call as right upper position. Next we are going to next right middle design. Next right lower designs. Next bottom middle design. Next lower left design. Next left middle design. Next left upper design and the central design. That are the main positions of the figures in a square. They are also given an example here. So shall we check the example? So here already said all mental ability questions figures are in a square. That example also you can see here. In the example just we can check the letter E. In the first square the letter E is in the left upper. Left upper. In the next figure the E is moved to right upper. After the third figure the E is moved to right lower. So like that, in the same way we can identify the positions of the designs. Concept number 3, angular movements of designs. Students, I suggest you have to write the notes, important notes, and draw the important pictures in a notebook to revise the portions, or take the screenshot of the video and just check it clearly. So shall we go to the concept number 3, angular movement of designs. In the previous concepts we already discussed about the clockwise direct movement and the positions of the designs. Here we have the clockwise movement and the anti-clockwise movement. Two types of angular movements, clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movement. Just imagine a figure is moving from place A to B. The positions A to B, then the movement of the figure is clockwise 45 degree movement. Clockwise 45 degree movement. So if a figure is moving from A to C, if a figure is moving from A to C, then the angle and movement of the design is clockwise 90 degree. For understanding the concept easily, just one example is given below. Shall we check the example? The letter E. The letter E. In the first figure, letter E is in the left upper. Left upper. In the second, the E is moved to the right upper. And the third figure, the E is moved to the right lower. Right lower. Then the movement of the letter E is clockwise direction. And shall we check the angular movement? First to second, E is moving clockwise 90 degree rotation. Clockwise 90 degree. Second to third also, the E is moving clockwise 90 degree. For clearly, if the figure is moving from the position A to D. If the figure is moving from the position A to D, then the movement of the figure is clockwise 135 degree. In the same way, we have the angle up to 360 degree. Okay, so that is the clockwise angular movement of a design. Next, the anti-clockwise angular movement of a design. Here nothing, just opposite of the clockwise direction movement. So shall we check? If the figure is moving from the position A to H in the anti-clockwise direction, if the figure is moving from the point A to H, then the movement of the figure is anti-clockwise 45 degree. Anti-clockwise 45 degree. Next, if the figure is moving from the position A to G, then the movement of the design is anti-clockwise 90 degree. Okay, so shall we check the example for the anti-clockwise movement? So in the example figure, when we check the triangular shape, the triangular shape is in the first figure, it is in the left lower, and to the second, the triangle is moving to the right lower, and the next third, the triangle is moving to the right upper. So when we check the movement, the triangle is moving anti-clockwise 90 degree. First to second 90 degree, and second to third also 90 degree anti-clockwise rotation. Concept number 4. Number of designs. Sometimes we have to find the answer according to the number of designs. So the designs becomes more or less than the previous design. Means the design may be increase or sometimes it may decrease. We can clearly understand by the example. Look at the example figure. Problem figure and answer figure are given here. In the first box, there is one circle. When we go into the second, there is two triangles. After in the third, there is three circles. The relation between the problem figures means the first to second, second to third is the figure, number of the figure is increasing. So automatically in the first box there is one figure, and in the second 2, and in the third 3, and automatically the answer will contain 4 figures. So in the answer figures we have 2 figures numbered 4, second one and fourth one. So which one will be the answer? So shall we check? In the first question figure there is circle, in the second there is triangle, in the third there is circle. Automatically in the fourth the triangle must be come. So the answer is the fourth one. This concept is the increasing and the decreasing of the number of designs. Next, shall we go to the concept number 5. Number of sides of design. Number of sides of design. The sides of designs become increase or decrease. The sides of the figure may be sometimes increase and sometimes it may be decrease. We can check it clearly from the example. We have the problem figures and the answers figures. There are 4 boxes in the problem figure. In the first box, there is a figure formed with 2 lines, means 2 sides. In the second figure, the figure is formed with 3 sides. And the third, the figure is formed with 4 sides. Then automatically we can check the answer. Shall we go to the answer figures? First one circle, second one pentagon, third one rectangle, and the fourth one hexagon. Means the answer is 5-sided figure. That is the second one. The second one is the answer. That concept is number of sides of the designs. Concept number 6. Shading of designs. Shading of designs. The shading of the designs sometimes it become unshaded. Sometimes unshaded part will change to shaded designs. Shall we go to the examples? In the problem figure, in the first box, there are 3 figures. The 3 figures are unshaded. In the second box, in the 3 figures, 1 figure is shaded. In the third box, in the 3 figures, 2 figures are shaded. Automatically in the fourth box, they must need 3 figures with 3 figures shaded. Then automatically the answer is second one. That is the concept number 6, shading of designs. Next, concept number 7, different types of angles. Here we are studying only 4 types of angles. First one, acute angle. Second one, right angle. And third, obtuse angle. And the fourth, straight angle. Shall we check the first one, acute angle? An angle between 0 and 90 degree. An angle between 0 and 90 degree is called as acute angle. And shall we go to the second, right angle? A right angle is exactly 90 degree angle. A right angle is exactly a 90 degree angle. So examples also given below here. And next one, third one, the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle is an angle between 90 and 180 degree. An angle between 90 and 180 degree. That is obtuse angle. Next one, straight angle. Straight angle is nothing but it's like a straight line. That is 180 degree angle. Next, concept number 8, polygons. Here we are studying about 7 different types of polygons. First one, triangle. First figure is triangle. It is made with 3 lines. It has 3 sides. Second one is square. Second figure is made with 4 lines. It has 4 sides. The 4 sides are equal length and also the 4 angles are 90 degree. That is a square. Next one, that is a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides made with 4 lines, but its angles are 90 degree and also its opposite sides are equal. Next polygon is pentagon. It has 5 sides formed with 5 lines. Pentagon. Next one is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides formed with 6 lines. Next one, septagon. Septagon has 7 sides formed with 7 lines. Next one is octagon. Octagon has 8 sides and it is formed with 8 lines. These are the important polygons we have to learn in Navodaya. If you like our video, subscribe our channel, press the bell button and like the video and share with your friends. We will meet in the next video with the topic Mental Ability Lesson 1, Odd Man Out. Till then, bye.